Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of our poem I Am the Land. This is the poem categorized under Navity. Here the poetess wants to describe the patience of the earth. The earth is personified, and like a mother, she can tolerate all sorts of violations. This is the first person narrating poem. The poetess herself being the earth, and says that what are the things she had to tolerate. In the first stanza, she explains the man says he owned the earth, she simply waits. Is it possible to own the earth because it is a planet, and who gave the rights to own her? But the earth will not dispute with the man, she would wait. The person shouted with rage, then also the earth lie patiently. He says that he bought her, still she waits. The man would exploit her, making muddy holes and the lights of the parking vehicles, but she would stare at these things. The farmer plucks the land and grows the plants, trees, crops, etc. The children would come and dance on the earth. Someone comes and sings. The soldiers come with guns and put the fence. It makes the earth suffocate. The earth felt it very bad. Though she is suffocated, she patiently waits. Though the Mother Earth suffers a lot, she can patiently tolerate and challenge the man that he cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. Earth as a whole planet is very big, and the man cannot put a fence, and it is impossible for him. She can wait because she is the motherland.